In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the best Canva website templates for Shopify and customize them. First, open Canva and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look over to the left side and click on Create. A pop-up window will appear. At the top of this pop-up, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar and type in website. Canva will show you a variety of website formats, like a general website, a retail website, a service website, and more. Choose the type that best matches what you want for your Shopify store, then click it. Canva will open that choice inside the main editor. Inside the editor, you'll notice that the templates panel on the left is already open. This is where you can browse pre-made designs. At the top of that panel, there's another search field. Click there and type phrases like e-commerce website, store website, online retail, or specific keywords related to your niche. Canva will now display a range of templates that match those terms. Take a moment to scroll through and preview them. When you find a design you like, click on it. The panel will refresh, and many website templates will show multiple pages or sections. If you want to use the full set, click the option that says something like Apply all pages or Apply all sections. Canva will then load the complete layout into your design. Now you can start customizing. To edit anything, simply click directly on it. For text, double-click to highlight the wording, then type in your own content. You'll see a toolbar appear at the top of the screen. Use this to change the font, size, color, alignment, spacing, and more. For images or other elements, click once to select them. You'll see resize handles around the elements so you can drag to scale it, and you can click and drag to reposition it. The top toolbar will also let you crop, flip, adjust transparency, add animations, or change the layer position, depending on what you've selected. If you want to add new design elements, use the left panel. Click on elements to insert shapes, lines, icons, photos, and graphics. Click on text to add new headings or body text boxes. To bring in your own content, such as product photos, service images, or testimonial screenshots, click on Uploads, then upload files from your computer and drag them into the layout. Your chosen website template may include multiple sections or pages. Scroll down in the main editor to see and edit each section. Near the bottom of a long page, you'll see an option to add a new section. For multi-page designs, look at the bottom of the screen, where each page appears as a small tile. Click the plus icon there to add another page with a blank layout or a duplicated one. To delete a section, select it, then look for the small icons to the left. Click the trash icon to remove it. To delete an entire page, select its tile at the bottom, click the 3-dot More Options icon in the corner of that tile, and choose Delete Page. Once you've gone through your text, images, and sections, you now have a customized Canva website design ready to be adapted for your Shopify store.